Warm welcome again. We on 1st September 2023, and today we're going to talk about the research, the research that was done in Germany, where they took the skull and brain tissue of vaccinated individuals. In analyzing the brain tissue, they were trying to understand how the spike protein circulate up to the level of reaching the brain, and some of the time damaging it and causing brain injury. What they found is from blood circulation, spike protein goes into bone marrow. From bone marrow, it goes into meninges. From meninges, it goes just into the brain tissue. And when connected with neurons, it kills them. You may imagine this neurotoxicity and death of course, of neurons. It's quite alarming, isn't it? So, you may think and try a bit to reflect of how the spike protein penetrates the brain. What about other organs? What about the liver? What about kidney? What about small intestine? What about large intestine? What about pancreas? What about stomach? Think about both 10 major internal organs. We already know about myocarditis and pericarditis, which are both autoimmune disease and inflammatory disease. But with this suppressed immune system among some of the people, we're not quite sure if all vaccinated individuals have got suppressed immune system, and we don't know yet why some people have suppressed immune system and therefore are likely to have more collateral damages into the organs. Since we don't know, and any waves of a lot of variants are coming, the only solution is to strengthen and boost our immune system. That's why today I came up with jackfruits. Of course, some of you may have never heard about these fruits. It's a superfood and a super fruit. These fruits, if you try it for 44 days, you likely never to catch the new variant. And even if you catch it, you won't fear it. You will never know even if you had it. Because with this fruit, your system will have been boosted. Because this jackfruit you see here, you can see even its inside, it's so yellow because of its high level and content of vitamin C and A. Normally, when you eat fruit, you also have to analyze the color of the particular fruit you're going to eat. You also need to see the shell, how the shell looks like. What do you see here in the shell? Can't you see the brain there? The shell image is the brain. Which means this fruit is very good for our brain. Very good for the pancreas. Very good for the breast. You need to analyze and see its color, see how it looks like, see its shape even. The seeds, you can see the seeds. The seeds are good for the kidney. It's a very super fruit indeed for both of our organs. It supports the immune system by reducing any type of viral infection. Jackfruit regulates cellular immune response. That's why for those who have got a injury due to vaccines, for those who have got chronic diseases, acute or chronic, I will recommend them to consume these fruits regularly, probably for 4 days, and to see a change. Because it builds a strong and robust immune system by supporting immune system to reduce even infections. Due to its antioxidants, it keeps harmful disease away or at bay. It prevents inflammation as well by reducing cellular damages. These fruits control blood sugar level, and it has flavonoids that help in lowering blood pressure. You remember we were talking about myocarditis and pericarditis. This is a fruit to prevent, in the first place, myocarditis and pericarditis. No matter how strong the spike protein may be in damaging and inflaming internal organs, this fruit can stop it. This fruit can remove the toxicity into in a cellular level because it is rich in macronutrients, it is rich in vitamins and minerals. It's so much richer than apples, than avocado, than banana, than apricot, than sugar cane. Its content of vitamin A and C actually help much more in cellular immune response. And vitamin, we cannot forget vitamin B, B1, B3, vitamin B6. It's carotenoid, it's polyphenoid, it's flavonoid. Actually, it has a wide variety of phytonutrients that prevent the development of certain chronic disease. And some of the vaccinated individuals may have been feeling even a quick heartbeat. Some, I say some, probably not all of you, or not all of them. This fruit may reduce the heartbeat because it is heart friendly. Its potassium actually regulates the unwanted sodium and do it favor, do it high fiber. It is very good in removing unwanted toxin into the gut, into our stomach, into small and large intestine. This is a super fruit. I recommend these superfruits to be used mostly, I may say globally, but mostly there are new variant coming. So in this country where new variant is spreading very faster, so you need to be quick, you need to be fast to protect yourself, to protect your family, to protect your environment. You need to love your surroundings. But first of all, you need to love yourself. See you next time. I'm the masked man. I'll be coming with more. But please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out what is coming or what we still have for you in store. Thank you very much and have a nice time. Thanks.